you guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Pan. I know it's been like 2 months since I posted the last video. I've been going at a competition for cooking for a while, which I did good, by the way. Oh, sorry, I'm out of breath. I've been trying to get this car up on this little mini fake makeshift ramp. We're gonna go and do an oil change as well. Probably do overdue for one. That's probably one of the first things I should do when I first bought the car. But been lackadaisic and whatnot, so we're gonna go ahead and pop the hood and get ready to go do this oil change. It's probably nasty, so we'll go check it out here in a second. So we had the car running for a while today, even though everybody's in quarantine. We got what we were able to get because people stayed open, because stuff like this is kind of necessary to keep the car running, just in case, considering that your boy here is a essential personnel. Go figure, being in the military. So we went ahead and took off the cap to relieve any pressure or whatever. I don't know, I'm not the most savvy person when it comes to this stuff, so I'm here to have fun. Let's go ahead and turn the light and figure out if we can get to that oil pan bolt, which I believe is right here. Yep. So we'll go ahead and drain it. Thanks, Jared. Let me come over. We're gonna let the fun part begin here in a minute, guys. And I need a smaller size. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Alright, let's hope hopefully I don't burn myself. Process. Alright, now that I broke it loose, I'm gonna go ahead. Try not to burn myself. Shit. Kind of spilled it on the ground. It's not the goal. It was just lukewarm, which surprised me a little bit. But I'm gonna go ahead and let that drain for a bit, and we'll come back to you guys once we have completely drained it. We'll take a look at how all this looks. There to it. Look who it is, Mr. Essential, an essential employee. What you up to, man?
I'm essential as fuck.
Dude, surprisingly, when I undid everything, it was only warm, like lukewarm. I feel like it should have probably sat longer.
Who's Luke and why is he born?
I don't know, you tell me. You got any friends named Luke that are warm?
I don't think I know.
So I don't know if you guys remember the previous car, the 32, when we had that really big issue with taking off the filter. But this filter, whoever previously owned it or did an oil change on it, actually didn't do that bad of a job. Now my problem is I dropped it. Let's see what kind of filter we had on here before. Pit work oil filter. Never heard of it. So, as you guys know, most of us do, what I like to do is take some of the old oil for lubricant when I go to tighten this thing up, and skirt all the way around the new filter, which I'll go grab here now. Not make a mess of everything. Oh, dropped it. So this filter fits me in the RB25. So just oh yeah, go like this. Yeah, lubricate that. Sorry guys, we kind of ran out of room of footage, so it kind of died on us. Took some of the footage off of the memory card that I didn't really need anymore, considering it was like 2.5 years old. So, well, we're gonna let this finish drain. I already got the oil filter on, the new one. So just wait. So see you guys. Back to what I was talking about. Maybe I'm also wanting to do a carbon fiber hood, or just a more lightweight hood, because that hood is ridiculously heavy. Carbon fiber or lightweight trunk, because this is ridiculously heavy. I'm thinking about going wingless and getting the trunk that is leveled out. If you guys notice here, this is where the trunk ends and this is where the top of the fender begins. So raising it up here to even out, potentially go wingless. That's pretty much it for now. Not really much going on, considering that we can't really do much anything, and also funds aren't really that available, especially in these kind of times right now. So make sure you guys are staying safe and make sure you guys are staying good, and catch you back when we get to putting this thing back together. Alright guys, so now that it's done dripping, you guys can't see. Let me actually bring this. It was actually still not halfway bad, not as black as the GTR's was, and there's no particles. This is all from dust get kicked up in the air and the thing already having dust on it. But next plan of attack, pour in the oil. And thanks to Jared, you guys saw earlier, we got a little makeshift oil helper. Alright guys, so we got her now running with new oil in it. We're gonna let it sit for a minute, or let it run for a minute, not let it sit. Let it run for a minute, let everything heat up, let everything lubricate, let everything get around where it's supposed to go. Just in case I didn't tell you guys, which I'm pretty sure I did not, I used 10W30 Mobile 1. Jared recommended it. A lot of people on a lot of Skyline pages recommend it, or at least recommend this kind. Sometimes I've seen 10W50, I'm not sure, but for the most case, most people picked the 10W30, at least that, and obviously brand specific to whatever you prefer, I guess, but full synthetic is what we went with. Car sounds great, running nicely, and that was just immediately after changing it. What is up, YouTube? It is the next day. Decided to go ahead and take a break for the day after doing the oil change, let it sit and everything. But I got some stuff in the car when I went to buy the stuff for the oil change. Yeah, right here. We're going to test out this headlight restoration system, considering these headlights are yellow and disgusting. So I don't know if you guys can really see it, but we're going to try and restore this real quick. Well, let me go find me a drill. So guys, I'm not sure if I've done this before, but I've attempted it with a different kind. So as you guys can see, some of it looks good, but then the rest of it looks yellow. So we're gonna give this a good old once over one more try. Hopefully it comes out better. So I apologize guys for not being able to show you guys. It's kind of hard to do it with two hands, one hand, and trying to do it, but that's the first step. Sanding it down. I kind of got the car a little bit. Don't hate me for it. One day it'll be wrapped anyway, so let's go move on to the next step. Maybe in the second lens I'll show you guys. See, use medium light, blah blah blah, wipe lens off to inspect and ensure all yellow defects are completely removed. So I did stop and take a look. Right here in the corner it still is pretty yellow, so I'm gonna go back over it again. So my camera died, so I'm using the phone to show you guys the difference in the headlight lens. You guys can, if I can get a good angle on it, you can see yellow all the way around. Whereas here, not a single drop of yellow. A little gray hazy, but that's what happens when, well, you do this. So we're gonna go and finish this up real quick. Well guys, I want to go ahead and say I apologize for the lack of professionalism on the YouTube channel. Considering that every time I start a new video, I do not have enough memory for it, but I did end up finishing the headlights a while ago, and as you guys can tell, it's a lot different than before, especially as you can see right here in this area. It is no longer yellow like it was before. It was definitely pretty bad on that. Hopefully you guys like the content. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Give me crap for all the lack of video being left over for it, but we do have some more new content coming up soon. So do always like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned, because we're gonna end up getting more angle here. A body kit that will be coming in hopefully June. Well, ship in June. Hopefully get here really quick. It's on back order because it's handmade. We'll let you guys know more on that come to find out. And if you remember earlier in the clip, I did say that I wanted a carbon fiber hood or a lightweight hood. We do have a carbon fiber hood on the way. Hopefully it'll be here May 1st. So do stay tuned, because we do have some good content coming for you guys. Again, this is Forbidden Kings, heading out.